Hello, engineers, developers, and friends. We are here at Embedded World 2025 in Nuremberg, Germany. I'm Ken Briota, your editor-in-chief of Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here in our brand new Dev Zone where we are featuring some of the most exciting, interesting, and innovative development kits, boards, and products in the entire embedded space. And right now, I'm very excited to talk to you about the SEMA MLSoC Development Kit 2.0. This Edge ML developers quick evaluation prototyping and demo of Edge ML use cases is an all-inclusive kit that has everything that you need to build your next solution. And I hope you come down here to the Dev Zone to check it out. While you're at it, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all the social medias, especially LinkedIn, and visit embeddedcomputing.com for all the news that you need in the entire embedded sphere. For now, I've been Ken Briota, your editor-in-chief and your host, and we'll catch you next time.